Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read 69th chapter of this novel and today's topic heading is on climbing steep hills. So today we are going to read this chapter and understand that what we can learn and apply it in our life. To climb steep hills requires slow pace at first. This is said by William Shakespeare. If you think of your goal as a steep hill, imagine how ridiculous it would be to stop midway just because you are slowly scrambling up instead of sprinting all the way to the top. That's precisely what many people do. They then start working on their new goal and realize that the journey will take longer than they expected. What difference does it make that reaching a goal take you longer than you planned? If you want to climb a steep hill, will you stop climbing it because you cannot climb it in a 2 hours but can in a three? Will you retreat to the bottom of the hill and forever stare at its peak, frustrated by the dissatisfying pace of the climb? Another mistake is the assumption that if something is slow in the beginning, it will stay that way. When I started my career as a self published author, I tried several different genres. Things were going slow at the beginning because I needed to figure out which genre and style fitted me best. Once I established the proper direction, I released my first bestseller, then the second, and soon there was snowball effect. How wise would it have been to give up during the first several months, frustrated by slow pace? So this chapter is all about that we should not give up in a midway because mm, our growth is slow and it is going to remain same. It is not like that. If every whenever you start working on any goal, so it start from slow, then it take up pace and start increasing. So whenever you think to give up on your goal, think about this example that if you want to climb any mountain, any steep mountain, so it takes time. In the starting it could be a higher slope, then you will reach on the middle and it could be a plain and then slow. So it is our journey is zigzag, not a straight line. We have to always keep this in our mind, otherwise most of people give up in between when they were about to reach their goal. They give up at that point because they think that no, they are not growing, they are not get reaching to their goals. So if we will have in this our mind that if that place is slow, so it is not going to be always. We can increase our pace and we can reach at our goal. So this is all about this chapter, and this is a very important chapter also that we can apply in our life because most of time we get frustrated that we are not getting uh, and most of thing runs in our mind. So if we keep reading such a story, so we will be motivated always, and that's why daily we read one chapter. And this is a very important book also because there is a only one page story, and from that we can get so much thing and very important life lesson. So if you also want to read daily, so you can daily join, and for that you can subscribe this channel for daily updates. If you like this chapter, you can hit the like button and share with your friends. That's all for today's chapter. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.